Now, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I actually got my big break when I was 18 months old. That's where I started making pasta, right alongside my grandma. I make this in a bowl, but you can certainly make this on a cutting board, in a food processor, pretty much anywhere you like. In north of Italy, they typically put in eggs, and in south of Italy, they don't. I love the eggs because they add that golden color to this dough. A little salt goes in to add that flavor. The olive oil, that's gonna add the silkiness to this. So growing up as a kid, this was my favorite part. Mixing with my hands, getting all floury. Play with your food. Tipo 00 is a really refined, powdery white flour that makes the silkiest pasta dough you'll ever try. And this is where you need a little arm action. My nonna had the tiniest arms, yet the strongest. So never underestimate an Italian nonna. I'm in the final stages of kneading this dough. I know it's ready, because have a look at this golden color the dough has. I love it, and this is exactly why I use eggs. Little plastic wrap is gonna keep it moist. And into the fridge it goes. So my nonna used to roll out her pasta by hand, probably using a little thing that looked like this. Then the pasta machine came to town, and it cut the time in half. It allows you to sort of flatten the pasta out on one side, and on the other side, it's got you making fettuccine and spaghetti. So fun. So what I like to do is just flour it up a little bit to make sure that the pasta doesn't stick in there. Get ready. So every time I flatten, I just close the button one way, and it gets it thinner and thinner. Let's make some fettuccine. Gold ribbons. And when you do this at home, you're gonna be really proud of yourself. They need a little dusting of flour. It's gonna help it from not sticking together. And I'm gonna hang these up to dry a little. Alrighty, lots more to make. Another great way to dry your pasta is in these cute little nests. And it may look familiar. It's exactly what it looks like when you're buying it in a store.